We are proud to announce that it's been a year for our remote pilot training organization established by Multiplex Drone Private Limited, a subsidiary of Multiplex Group of Companies. In the last 1 year, we have trained around 200 individuals and made them employable in their own capacity. All of them are happily engaged in drone flying and contributing their bit to various sectors across India. Moving forward, we have been training women's self-help groups under Namo Drone Didi Yojana, an initiative of Government of India to help women to become integral stakeholders of their local farming supply chains and rural prosperity. Drone Remote Pilot Training Organization is also conducting drone technician and drone engineer courses. Now rural youth can engage themselves in new age technology. Drone technology for precision farming, self-employment and rural prosperity.